Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's nice to have you in this new video. Now today we are going to be looking at how we can add the Facebook meta pixel to our WordPress website. So the first thing we need to do is to proceed to our business.facebook section. Just go to business.facebook.com, and then from there you can select the assets that you like to use for your data set. So once you are on the asset page, just like this, then you come to add. So this will basically allow you to create a new data set. Just give it a name and then click on create. So now that our data set has been created, which is the new web, the next thing would be to click on Open Events Manager. On the Event Manager page, we actually need gather website events from browser activity. So we just click on Setup Metapixel and click on Install Code manually. So the next thing is to copy our code from here, and then you can just click on Continue. So now that we've gotten our Facebook Metapixel code, we are going to proceed to our WordPress website to add the code manually to our site. However, we are not going to be adding the code directly into our theme, and that's because we don't want an occurrence whereby the code is going to be wiped off after we update our theme. So I recommend that you install a child theme, and then once it's installed, you can now add your metapixel in the child theme via the functions.php file. So to add the metapixel code, come to theme file editor and then theme functions. That's the functions.php file. So we're going to be adding a metapixel code right in here, but we are not just going to paste the code directly as we copied it from Facebook. We need to make some modifications to it so that it doesn't break our website. So this is the code right here. I'll also make sure to leave a link to the code in the description below. So the next thing we need to do is to replace this line that says add your metapixel code here. We're going to replace it with a metapixel code that we copied earlier from Facebook. So exactly this way, and then we're going to copy the complete code all together and then go back to our WordPress website, and right at the end of the functions.php page, right at the end of all the codes, we are going to paste that, and then we're going to click on update. That way you have successfully added metapixel code to your WordPress website without needing to use a plugin. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications for more insightful tips, and also make sure to share the video to friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.